Welcome to my How to Play series for the skirmish battle game WarCrow by Corvus Belli. In this video we'll be looking at the basics of how rounds work in the game, along with turns and activations. The skirmish game WarCrow uses a turn counter to help players keep track of activation and length of each round. The dial has 10 positions that each represent a turn within a round. The scenario you play will dictate the number of turns in each round and the total number of rounds in a game. Whatever the turn length is, the end of round counter is placed on the corresponding number. When the dial reaches the end of round counter, the round ends after the completion of that turn and restarts ready for that next round. Who takes the first activation of the round is decided by the player who holds the initiative token. The player with initiative is always the player with the least victory points. In the case of a tie at the end of a round, then the initiative token will change hands. When a player activates a unit for the turn, then they place an activation token on their unit's card to indicate it has activated this round. It's possible to activate a unit more than once over the course of a round, but doing so will add a stress token to the unit, increasing the possibility of breaking their morale. A player may choose to pass on a turn, and if both players pass, then the round ends, even if the end of round token has not been reached on the turn counter. If at the end of the round a unit has not received an activation token, then that unit gets one free move. And that's a rundown of how rounds work in the game of WarCrow. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see future videos covering the rules of the game, please leave a like, please leave a comment about what rules you'd like me to cover, and please subscribe so you're notified of future releases. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.